Hi, boys and girls. I hope everybody's doing well. The activity that you're going to be completing for Madame Aubry is an Art Black History Month activity. If you are a boy, you are going to be getting an image of a head of a male, so a boy. If you're a girl, you're going to be getting an image of a woman. Now, this Miss Vitali chose a girl or a woman because I am a girl. And it's an African American woman image. And if you can tell, her face is here, and then her hair is up here. Now, a lot of you might already know, but African American women enjoy braiding their beautiful black hair. A lot of them will put them up in these beautiful braided top buns on the top of their head, and they're so big and so beautiful. Some of them will cover them with different types of scarves or whatnot. But that being said, you are either going to get either or. Now, Miss Vitali did a quick version of this, of drawing it through, but you're going to be getting a printed version. Once you receive the printed version, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be creating lines within the image that look like this. I'm just going to create, okay, make sure it's black. So with a pencil, you are going to be creating these kind of like large lines, if you will. You can create smaller ones. You can, do different types of images, and you have to go all the way through to the bottom. Okay? Once you have completed that, you are going to go over the pencils with a Sharpie. Okay? Now make sure that you double paper so that the Sharpie doesn't go onto the desk. Okay? And then you go over it with Sharpie. Once you have actually done that, then you're going to be coloring in those spaces either black, green, red, or yellow. Now, these are the colors that are represented for Black History Month. Why are these colors important? I will explain. Black, noir, represents the African American people. Green represents the freedom that they found. Red represents the deaths of many African American people. And yellow represents prosperity. Prosperity means riches, that once they found freedom, they were able to live, they were able to find happiness. Prosperity and riches doesn't just mean money, l'argent. It means the fact that you are free, that you have the chance to live the life that you truly want to live. Okay? Now, once you have decided what color you want to start with, so let's say I want to start with color, I want to start with color black. Okay? So I color this whole section, and I won't be able to obviously do it on the computer, but I color this whole section in black. I move on to the next section. I say, okay, I want to do this section here, red. Boom, 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 boom. Et voilà. Then I say, oh, I'll do this section over here, yellow. Then I say, okay, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do green. And I continue this way, making sure that none of the colors are repeated. Like I wouldn't put green again here. I might put red, then I might go to black here, then I might go to yellow here. And I want to make sure that no colors actually touch one another. Okay? Now, the final image that you guys are going to end up seeing, and I will show you because my students did it last year, will look like this. Okay? So if you look carefully, sorry, you guys are in my email, but you can see that this one is a female head, okay, and that each section is detailed, okay. Right over here, you see that it was gone over with Sharpie, and that each section is colored a different color. Now, not one color is touching, not one of the same colors is touching one another, right? You want to make sure that you have each color separate, okay? So finally, whether you have a male, so a boy, or a girl, female head, you should be using either black, red, green, or yellow. Enjoy, have fun.